Hey friends, welcome back to our channel Stock Dr. Ara. In this channel, we do pure technical analysis of US as well as Indian stock market. In this video, we are going to talk about Nifty, Bank Nifty and 4 to 5 stocks, which I think they are going to give some movement in the market. So before we go ahead and see this video, I would request you to go through the US analysis video as well, because the three major indices, Nasdaq, Dow Jones and S&P 500, they are showing some movement on the downside, and I think our Indian market will also follow them. So please go and check that. And now, in case you have not subscribed to this channel, please go ahead, subscribe to this channel, hit the bell icon so you will get the notification of all future videos which I am going to make on this channel. Now let's quickly go to the trading view and see where the indexes are heading. So this is the Nasdaq 100, this is the Nifty 50 index. If you have seen the last week video, I clearly mentioned that 18,000 is the first resistance on the Nifty now. If we cross above 18,000, then only we will be buyer into the market. Until that time, we will be putting ourselves into the sidelines, or we should book the profit in the market if we are having in any stock. So you can see here clearly, on Monday we were almost around 17,600 700 points, and then we moved above 17,800, and we tried to touch 18,000 on the Friday. But on the Friday you can see we opened near 18,000, and then we continuously saw the fall of almost 200 points, that is 1%. Now if you see, currently this candle is a perfect example of bearish engulfing pattern. Okay, this is the perfect example of a bearish engulfing pattern. Market was in a big uptrend, and then you can see the bearish engulfing pattern, as well as you can see the high volume, okay, on the day candle, and as well as RSI was exhausted around 80 levels, and RSI is pointing towards the downside. So high probability that we will correct on Monday also. Now when we say that market will not correct and will go up on upper side, only when we start closing above 18,000, we will be, or I will be bullish into the market only when we are crossing above 18,000 for the target of 18,100, 18,200, 350, and then we will go towards the all-time high of 18,600 also. But now here you see, if we are consistently falling below 17,800, then we are going to see the first target of 17,400. Now after coming towards 17,400, if we again lift up and stay above 17,750, then we will see the 17,800 again, and then we will see the upside again. So if you want to be a buyer into the market, you will see the two levels where you will get the buying opportunity. First at 17,400, at the 17,400 you will be, you can be a buyer, and then if it doesn't sustain at 17,400, then it is going to go towards 17,000. This will be the second spot where you can be a buyer into the market. Now the buying should be happened in the staged manner, okay, because we still don't know that if bear will come again or not. But I would say that if we come to 17,400 and then we come to 17,000, then this is the healthy pullback. Okay, this will be the healthy pullback after this big rally. Okay, whenever you see this kind of big rally, after that we need a pullback. This healthy pullback will put the market again upside so soon. Okay, so this is the analysis on the Nifty. If you see the weekly chart, on the weekly chart you see this is a kind of inverted hammer pattern. Whenever you see inverted hammer pattern on the top, that means that high chance that market is going to correct from here. So let's talk about Bank Nifty day chart. On the Bank Nifty you can see same pattern here. This is a bearish engulfing pattern, okay, and this is a big marubozu red candle. So Bank Nifty is in the extremely oversold zone, and I think high probability that the first target we will be going to see very soon, that is 38,400. If we don't sustain above that, then we are going to see 37,300. So these are the two levels which I see. I will be bullish on the bank nifty only once it starts trading above this level of 39,750. If we start trading and closing above 39,750, 39,750, this level, then we will see the 40,100 and 41,000. These two targets we can see into the bank nifty. So we will be bullish only once we start trading and closing above 39,750. If you see the weekly chart, on the weekly chart also you can see it's a kind of inverted hammer, and that weekly and daily, those two weekly and daily patterns are giving me confirmation that high probability that we are going to go down more in coming week. So with this, we have done the analysis of Nifty and Bank Nifty. I hope you are learning something out of this video. And then we are going to talk about five stock. The first is PVR. PVR was down by 5%, okay, and it is consistently going down on the daily time frame. And I feel that if PVR starts trading below this 1800 levels, okay, then you will see one quick downside of almost 100 points from here. It might come till 1700, 1675 range. Now, but the stop loss for this, this short trade would be around 1950. So it's almost 100 points, upside is the stop loss for this stock. If we see the weekly time frame, on the weekly time frame also you can see here a strong bearish candle has formed on this weekly candle, and the stock was down by almost 10% on this weekly candle, as well as the volume was shooted up, okay, on the downside. So I think that there is more weakness you are going to see on this stock. The next stock we have is a WOCKPHARMA. Now these 3 to 4 stocks which we are going to see, they are we are going to talk about them for the upside, but we need to see if the market is correcting, then there are some possibilities that they will stop their upside. But if market is not correcting and market is going into the sideways, then this stock will go up, because you see the very good breakout happen in this stock. The first stock is WOCKPHARMA. It went up by 12%, okay, on the Friday session, okay. And I think that if it continues its momentum, then it is going to go towards 290 and 325. These are the two targets which I think, if we get this stock around 250 and 245 levels like that, okay, if it retraces like this and again go upside from there, then this is the nice opportunity to add. For this stock, the stop loss will be around 230 rupees will be the stop loss for this stock. If this stock starts trading below 230, then it can go back toward 200 level one more time. The next stock we have is Adani Port. Adani Port we need to watch, my friends, because if you see this chart, the Adani Port was trading in this this channel, okay. You can see the first top it created here, the second top it created here, the third top it created here, and this is the fourth top, okay. Now if this stock sustain above the level of this 875, okay, if this stock stays above the level of 875, then you are going to see that this stock is going to touch all-time high very soon, which is coming around 920, and then this stock will go into the category where you don't want to sell this stock, because this will be a very big breakout, and the stock will be going to the level of you can say 1100 to 1200 rupees, okay. But if this stock took this as a resistance, then definitely it is going to come back toward this channel's bottom slowly. So this stock we need to watch. The second stock is the third stock we have is Vardhman Textile. Vardhman Textile, I think this stock has given a breakout on shorter time frame, okay. It has created a wedge triangle pattern breakout, and I think that the stock quickly show us the level of 355 and 376. These are the two levels which I think, and the stop loss for this stock would be around something around 310 305 rupees. The next stock we have is Tata Communication. For the Tata Communication, this is a very good kind of pattern. You can see this is a cup and handle pattern. This is the cup and this is the handle. Okay. Uh, the handle given a breakout here. And now, after that, the stock has created a very good base near the 1080 to 1000 till 1100 rupees. This is a very good base formation, and I would say that the stock is going to show us 1170 very soon. And if it stays above that 1170, then you are going to see 1240 and 1280 very soon. So these are the targets which I see for this stock. The stop loss for this stock would be around 1080 to 1100 levels. So this is all about the Nifty, Bank Nifty, and these stocks. I hope you learned something out of this video. Make sure you will subscribe to our channel. Okay, you hit the bell icon so you will get the notification of all future videos. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe to this channel, share it with your friends and family members. And last but not least, let's learn and earn together. Thank you, my friends.